Your Excellency, our celebrants, all of the Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, everything has been said. But I want to say one or two things. That Rivers Ijaws, and indeed the Ijaw ethnic nationality, cannot forget Nyesom Wike for a long time. The last speaker, Boma, has said it all. The aberration we are seeing in the governance of Rivers State is only a demonstration. Only a demonstration of lack of political discharge of an individual, and by no means characteristically Ijaw. Lack of political foresight by an individual, and a demonstration of individual traits, and not characteristically Ijaw. So, Your Excellency, we the Ijaws see you as the light of Rivers State. You are indeed a notable strategist in the contemporary politics of Nigeria. And without any doubt, Your Excellency, you are the most celebrated Rivers man, Rivers politician of national recognition to have emerged from Rivers State. At this point, Your Excellency, may I, with all respect, invite you to the podium, please.
Hands up! Is that going to be it? Hands up! Hands up! Is that going to be it? Your Excellency, our father, our leader, our friend of the Ijaw nation, Nyesom Wike, Minister of the Federal Capital. Let me rest on the existing protocol. Your Excellency, this is Rivers Ijaw People's Congress. For benefit of doubt, we are spread across the 3 senatorial districts. Go to Rivers West, we're there. Go to Rivers East, we're there. If you go to Rivers Southeast, we're there. We are the only tribe that is set across the 3 senatorial districts of Rivers State. We're spread across 11 local government areas of Rivers State. So we're not a group you can toy with. Hands up! Your Excellency, we will not talk politics today. When the time for politics comes, we will talk politics. But today, we have come to thank you. We have come to show appreciation to you for what you have done for the Ijaw nation. 24 years of democracy. We have never set our feet on the #1 position of Rivers State. You made it possible for us as Ijaws to become the governor of Rivers State. Not be so? Not be so? Excellency, all the speakers here have come here and thank you, showing appreciation to you. But none of them have been able to hit the nail on the head. And I want to hit the nail on the head. Make a talk up. Make a talk up. Your Excellency, on behalf of the rivers in Jos, on behalf of the rivers in Jos, our elders, our chiefs, and our people, I want to apologize to you for what our son is doing to you. Don't be sorry, Doctor. Don't be sorry. We are sorry. We are sorry. We are sorry. Because it is not in our nature to pay evil for good. You've done well for us. And we will continue to say thank you. Mebaka and Mama Alwa. Your Excellency, please, not because of this bad behavior of our son, you will run away from us. Not because of that. Continue to be our brother. Continue to have us in mind. Not because we fail one time, we will not repeat exam. Not be so. So, Your Excellency, let me use this opportunity to thank all your friends and the entire entourage that came with you. We appreciate you for coming to grace this occasion. All your governor friends, the G5, senators, members of House of Reps that accompanied you, we say thank you. Minister Henrikin Lokpoguri, we appreciate you. And let me not forget the man who is in charge of 9 states in Nigeria, the managing director of Niger Delta Development Commission, Chief Samuel Obuku. I say thank you for coming to grace this occasion. Not only for coming, I thank you for all the support you have given to me as your Executive Director of Finance, and I pray that at the appropriate time, we will have time to say thank you to you. Just as to all our people here, all my job brothers and sisters, I say thank you for coming out, despite the rains. I appreciate you for coming out. We are not ungrateful people, not so. That's why we have come out in our numbers to say thank you to our leader. Not so. Having said that, Your Excellency, I want to invite my father to come on stage, to come and join us for the next item. The chairman of the Elders Forum, PDP River State, Alaba, Chief Fedi, and my brother. Let us give him a hand.
The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, the Honorable Minister, Petroleum Oil, the Executive Governor of Adamawa State, other top dignitaries that accompanied our father and leader, the Minister of FCT, chiefs, traditional rulers, and the people of Ijaw Nation here in Rivers State. Please permit me to rest on existing protocol. Your Excellency, for me it's a very great honor to stand here to also give a goodwill message. I am an Ijaw man from Bayelsa, but as the MD of NDDC, who oversees 9 states in the region, I am here in that capacity to say thank you for all what you have done for the Ijaw people. The reason why I am here, just two reasons. I am here to solidarize with you because I am also a beneficiary of your goodwill. Not indirectly, but directly. That story, maybe I'll one day tell the Ijaw nation how I am a direct beneficiary because you were also instrumental to me being the managing director, CEO of NDDC. And the second reason is, while I was transiting, after your initial support that made me the MDC of NDDC, when it came to the second missionary journey, you supported me. While you are supporting, you did not only support me, you decided to bring a brother to work with me, the person of Chief Amaewhule. And I believe the Ijaws have no reason to complain because we have the fairest deal in NDDC since its inception. For us to have the MD CEO and the Executive Director, Finance and Administration. Mr. President did not just only do that. People like you and some other leaders were instrumental to that happening. So on behalf of the Ijaw people, I'm standing here to say thank you. And the second reason why you have our total support for me as a person is because of your unalloyed loyalty and support which you have given to Mr. President. If not of Mr. President, I wouldn't have been here. But you supported Mr. President to ensure that he won his election, and not only winning the election, supporting him to ensure that the administration of Mr. President succeeds. And for the fact that you have given Mr. President all your support, I am also promising you and assuring you that I am also committing my support to you, sir. I believe if we all work together in synergy with the support you have given to Ijaws and the support that you're willing to give more, because we know you love the Ijaws. As a lover of the Ijaws, I can see even a series of appointments that are coming out from River State, that in River State, majority of the appointments that you have been instrumental to, majority of them are sons and daughters of the Ijaw nation. So that also shows that you love the Ijaw nation. Your Excellency, it is not a day for me to make long speech, but here to say thank you, and thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen.